pour your ingredients in here. Doesn't look so great right now. Stir it up, wait 5 minutes, open it up, stir it up again, wait another 4 minutes, then you're ready to eat. All right, so we're about to try our hand at wilderness camping. Man, we might as well get on the way because I don't got much sunlight left, and I'd like to get hiked in here, get my camp set up, make something to eat, and maybe do a little bit of fly fishing in the pond up here. So let's see how that goes. But we're starting out on a pretty steep, rocky uphill. I'm about to sign in right here, I think. Sign in time. Just got ourselves signed in. That's where we're at. We're gonna get hiked in and get camp set up. This creek is actually pretty epic. And I don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow now. This might be a secondary mission. Look, we're getting in here. We gotta be halfway to the first campsite at least. I gotta fish it to know if there's brook trout in there. I have to. But we're gonna keep on going. Alright, so this thing calls for 1 3/4 cup of water. I think it's at 14 fluid ounces is what that is. Yeah, 14 fluid ounces. Those loons just scared the poop out of me. Alright. I've never used one of these things. I kind of need a shim. Now it's stable. Alright. I'm gonna let this thing boil. I don't think that should take too long. I'm freaking hungry. I got my water boiling. I am starving. I don't know. I haven't really ate anything all day today. So I cannot wait to eat. I really don't like how that opened. Do not eat that. Alright. So it says all you do, you pour your ingredients in here. Doesn't look so great right now. Stir it up. Wait 5 minutes. Open it up. Stir it up again. Wait another 4 minutes. Then you're ready to eat. So, we'll do that right now. Wow, that was hot. It's already starting to smell good. Also, I forgot my fork. So we gotta do one of these things. And I'm probably gonna have to drink this. But I'm hungry, so I'm eating it. I don't even normally eat peas, and I'm gonna scarf these. Oh wow, that gravy is really good. I'm probably attracting all the bears right now. That's cool. Alright. Now I wait 5 minutes. I'm pumped on this thing right here. I'm so hungry. So hungry. I'm gonna go to this rock and eat my food. I actually seen a fish come right up to the bank and attack something right up here not too long ago, so that'd be pretty awesome to see right here. Water crystal clear. Oh, so like I said, I do not have any utensils. I was gonna buy something yesterday actually, and I didn't. I thought I'd just bring something with me, and I forgot it, so that's completely my fault. But we still gotta eat, so maybe I'll drink this, maybe I'll scoop it out with this knife. I haven't really decided yet. It's like almost too hot to eat. Okay. The broth is awesome. The big chunks of meat are really freaking good too. Wow. I'm about to destroy this. I might as well shut the camera off to save my battery, because you guys don't gotta watch me eat this whole thing. Also got some chocolate chip cookies for dessert. Wow. Ugh. Alright. Alright, you guys probably can't see me, but it's almost 5 in the morning. It's like 4:45. I just woke up. I'm freezing. It's 40 degrees out. And I'm not looking forward to putting my pants on and getting out of here. Alright, there's the moon. Sun should be coming up over here someplace. But with that said, I'm about to get hiked out of here, and I'm going to go down and I'm going to fish the west branch of the Ausable River. So if you want to see that video, please think about leaving me a like and subscribe to my channel. It really helped me out, and I'm out.